Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and now that we've set up our account, I want to go through the motions of using some of the most common AWS services with you here so you can gain some confidence here on the platform itself, and just to have some practical hands-on experience. This is not going to be a very difficult section. It's not important for you to remember anything, but just to, again, gain confidence. And just before we get started here, I want to make sure that you are in the North Virginia region, okay? So North Virginia, also known as US East 1. The reason why it's 1 is because there's another US East, which is US East 2. This one is US East 1 because it came first. But based on the region you're in is going to change the offerings that you have, because not everything is available in every single region. Generally, they are across all regions, but like if I was in Canada Central, we have fewer availability zones. Those are data centers, where in North Virginia, we have like 6. And if there are any new features, they're definitely going to be in North Virginia. So I'm just going to ask you to change over to that region and follow along with me there. Okay?